Question 31. A fair die is thrown 2 times. What is the probability that the sum of the scores is at least 10? You know, a die has a 6 side, 1 to 6. For 2 times, you can have 1 to 6, 1 to 6 in the table. So you are interested in these results from here and from here. So we get the sum. So the first die, you take one side and add to all the sides of the second die. You have 2 to 7. You do the same thing for all the sides. Now the total outcome is 36. We need at least sum of 10, that is 10 and above. So you have it from this place. At least 10 is somewhere here. If you count at least 10, there are 6 of them. So you have 6 over 36 as the required probability, and that gives 1 over 6. So B is the correct option. Question 32. The marks of 8 students in a test are 10, 4, 5, 3, 14, 13, 16, 7. Find the range. The range is the highest score minus the lowest score. Highest is 16 minus 3, and that is 13. C is the correct option. Question 33. If log 3s minus 1 base 2 is equal to 5, find the value of log s. To do this, we want to equate log to base 2. We can only do that if we have log to base 2 on the right hand side. From one of the laws of logarithm of its own base is 1. So thinking along log base 2, if you write log 2 base 2 here is 1 to the power of 5, so that you equate log to base 2 and you have 3s minus 1 equal to 2 power 5, and that is 32. You collect like terms and you have 3s equal to 32 plus 1. 3s equal to 33. Divide both sides by 3. S is equal to 33 over 3, and that is 11. D is the correct option. Question 34. A sphere of radius RCM has the same volume as a cylinder of radius 3 cm and height 4 cm. Find the value of arrow. From the question, volume of sphere equal to volume of cylinder. The formula for the volume of a sphere is this, and a cylinder is this. From here, you can divide through by pi arrow square. If you do that, you have 4 over 3 arrow equal to h, and you are asked to get arrow. So the height is 4. So you have 4 over 3 times arrow equal to 4. To get arrow, you first clear the fractions, and you have 4 times arrow equal to 4 times 3. Divide both sides by 4. You have arrow equal to 4 times 3 divided by 4. By the time 4 cancel 4, you have 3s, 3 cm remaining. So C is the correct option. Question 35. Express 1975 correct to 2 significant figures. That is the first 2 non-zero numbers from the left, and that is 9. Your focus is 9. The next number is 7. Round it up to 1. You add it to 9. That is 10. Put that 0, carry 1. Add 1 to 1. that is 2, and the remaining digit 7 5 becomes 0, so you have 2000 to 2SF. D is the correct option. Question 36. In the diagram, MOPQ is a trapezium with QP parallel MO, MQ parallel NP, NQ parallel to OP. QP is 9 centimeters, and the height of triangle QNP is 6 centimeters. Calculate the height of the trapezium. From the markings, it is clear that all 3 triangles are equal in area. So let's find, since triangles are 3 and they are equal in area, once you get area of one of them, multiply it by 3, it gives the area of the trapezium. So area of one of them is half times base times height, that is 1/2 times 9 times 6, that is 27 square centimeters. Area of the trapezium is the area of the 3 triangles. That is 3 times 27 equal to 81 square centimeters. C is the correct option. Question 37. The perimeter of a sector of a circle of radius 21 centimeters is 64 centimeters. Find the angle of the sector. Perimeter of a sector is equal to 2r plus theta over 360 degrees times 2 pi r. The perimeter is 64, radius is 21, so you have 2 times 21 plus theta is unknown over 360 times 2 times pi, 2 over 7 times 21. Note that everything here is 1/10 and this as well. Alright, so you have 64. If you multiply here, you have 42. You can divide 21 by 7 and you have 3. You can divide 360 by 2 and you have 180. Now let's collect like terms. You transfer this term to the left hand side, you have 64 minus 42. Again, you can reduce this and this by 2 and you have theta over 90 degrees times 11 times 3. If you subtract here, you have 22. You can reduce 3 and 90 and you have 30. So clear the fractions and you have 22 times 30 degrees equal to 11 theta. To get theta, divide both sides by 11. So theta is equal to 22 times 30 degrees over 11. Divide 22 by 11, you have 2. 2 times 30 is 60 degrees. So B is the correct option. Question 38. You have this Venn diagram. You have 2 subsets, M and N, and you are asked to determine M prime intersection N. Now, the universal set is the addition or the element in M, that is AB, intersection, that is C, and N, that is FG. That is A, B, C, F, G. Now, M prime, they are the element in M, but not in the universal set. So, if you remove AB from universal set, you have C, F, G. So M prime is C, F, G, and N is F, G. So by intersection, they have F, G in common. So C, A is the correct option. Question 2039. If 20 modulo 9 is equivalent to y modulo 6, find the value of y. This is what we have here. Simply means that what you have here, 20, is equal to y, but 20 is not an element in modulo 9. Modulo 9 has 9 elements from 0 to 9, 0 to 8, 0 to 8. What you do is that you divide 20 by 9 and note the remainder. If you divide 20 by 9, you have 2 remainder 2. So 20 modulo 9 simplifies to 2 modulo 9. So the problem itself should be 2 modulo 9 equal to y modulo 6. Y modulo 6. So it means that y is equal to 2 by comparison. So B is the correct option. Question 40. Simplify P minus arrow in brackets minus r squared minus arrow squared over 2p squared minus 4p arrow. So this is the problem. This term can be written twice in this form. When you expand it, you have this, and okay, this what you have. From here, plus arrow squared minus arrow squared is 0. You are left with p squared. If you add these two terms, you have minus 2p arrow. Next thing is to factorize. From the numerator, p is common. Factor at p, you are left with p minus 2 arrow. The denominator, 2p is common. If you factor it out, you are left with p minus 2 arrow as well. So these two terms cancel this. P also cancel p. You are left with 1 over 2. So A is the correct option. Pythagoras simplified maths. If you are viewing and watching from YouTube, ensure that you subscribe to this channel, like and share PSM video. If you are watching and viewing from Facebook, follow and like the page. Also share PSM videos.